As a recently sent-off digital currency based on Ethereum blockchain, yearnfinance is otherwise called yearn for conglomeration of yield cultivating. Authoritatively sent off on July 17, 2020, by Andre Cronje, yearnfinance is one of the most valuable decentralized finance coins. It is likewise known to be a stage that boosts income procured through computerized resources by yield cultivating. Look at this view before we start with itemized ETH cost forecast. More famous as the token yearn, yearnfinance has a developing fan following with a target to boost yearly rate yields and is likewise eminent as AP for its renowned clients. Known for holding the acknowledgement for an esteemed decentralized project, yearnfinance tokens are used by clients as YUST, and EDI, while executing different exchanges like keeping reserves, and so on. With the assistance of ETH tokens, clients can procure loaning expenses as well as exchanging charges. Under the umbrella of yearn, a large number of stablecoins get support viz. DAI, USDC, USDT, TUSD, and SUSD, and they are additionally moved among numerous upheld DeFi conventions like Compound, OV, DIDX, and Curve, based on which resource pool is offering the best return. Consequently, we can include different exercises of yearnfinance, with the most conspicuous ones being one of a benefit-changing bank to expand loaning yields, going about as a facilitator for stablecoin exchanges, no capital mechanized vendor for OV, and that of making vaults for getting and loaning needs, connected with savvy contracts. The vital classes to pick above classifications are divided under procurers app APR and vaults. It can be underlined that yearnfinance as a stage goes about as an impetus to advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through curve finance, and simultaneously improving pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above whole ecospace of DeFi by yearn is overseen proficiently and actually. The ETH token assumes a vital part here. Right now, this computerized coin cost is around $21,565.58, with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24-hour exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40, with a flowing stockpile of 36,638 ETH. Long finance. Market sentiment. Despite the fact that put in an exceptionally unpredictable universe of crypto resources, positive elements like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly significant part in impacting speculations, as well as yearnfinance cost forecast. The essential target of the ETH group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and simultaneously protection. This multitude of elements comprise speculation counsel by top specialists as well as specialists. The ongoing cost of yearnfinance approaches $21,555.80. In view of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost gauge for 2026 is $225,342. With a 5-year venture, the complete worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%. According to our yearn.finance cost expectation, there is potential for ETH cost and show it might go on a higher opinion in the digital currency market. The coin cost could cross $32,320.13 toward the finish of 2022, making it a beneficial speculation. According to our drawn-out cost expectation, the coin could get marginally impacted by bears, yet we'll see the bull ride around 2024, and the coin might exchange between the maximum cost of $25,867 and the least cost of $22,299. In view of our information of yearnfinance stage, and its ETH token demonstrates that the resource cost has been in an upturn for the beyond 1 year. In the impending days, it might keep on showing a rising propensity. The future cost of the resource is anticipated at $108,898.935104112 following a year as per our expectation framework and monetary administrations. The determined yearn.finance cost toward the finish of 2022 is $28,666 and the YTD value changes may be around plus 33%. In the main portion of 2023, the yearnfinance cost will move to $29,416. In the last part, the cost would close the year at $25,984. Regardless of its reception in the digital currency market, yearnfinance cost will generally confront heat till January 2022. Going by cost expectations that bulls might be back, ETH's exchanging cost could ascend marginally higher, say by 2024 $45,321.90, best case scenario. Also, thus, dealers ought to use sound judgment prior to exchanging or financial planning. ETH cost could fill triple in 6 years, among other virtual monetary standards say by 2026, it ought to have a reasonable meeting around $46,714, showing the least obstruction level. Long finance price predictions. 2022 to 2026. All said and done, the ETH pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for coalitions. New organizations would carry ETH to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded cryptographic money. In the realm of digital forms of money like ETH, there could be figures of wonders, there could be wizardry in the present moment as well. In light of information refreshes, it wouldn't be a distortion that this evaluated digital money could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship, it's scaling above past all-time high. With a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the drawn-out costs, financial backers can expect a completion time toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of ETH would develop dramatically, by when it would not anymore a credulous contestant in the realm of digital currencies, however a carefully prepared player. The usefulness of a digital money characterizes its costs and not its incredible beginning. We should investigate the digital money cost expectations by which merchants can go with a legitimate choice to purchase yearnfinance. ETH price prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets, ETH is good to go to confirm serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all hindrances, scaling $28,910.64. ETH price prediction 2023. ETH has laid out a quick dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the ETH with begetting gain a lot greater cost of $34,766.18 per coin. If the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush. ETH price prediction 2024. There are many expectations proceeding for the ETH token. Particularly